Welcome back to our dental aesthetics series, where we explore the latest innovations in transforming smiles. In today's episode, we delve into the fascinating world of laser gum depigmentation and crown lengthening. Get ready to discover how these cutting-edge procedures can take your dental aesthetics to the next level. So, let's dive right in. Hi there, it's Dr. Sagar Abichandani, and he be our guide today. In this video, we'll explore how laser gum depigmentation and crown lengthening can dramatically enhance the appearance of your smile. Whether you're dealing with dark pigmentation or a gummy smile, these treatments offer remarkable solutions. Imagine looking in the mirror and feeling self-conscious about the color of your gums or the proportion of your teeth. Well, fret no more. Laser gum depigmentation is a revolutionary procedure that can lighten the appearance of dark gums, also known as gum hyperpigmentation. Just look at the incredible transformation in these before and after photos. By using a specialized laser, our skilled dentists can precisely target the excess pigmentation, resulting in a more uniform, natural-looking gum line. The best part? The procedure is virtually painless and requires minimal downtime. During the treatment, we carefully remove the melanin deposits in your gums, revealing a brighter smile. Our advanced laser technology allows us to perform this procedure with utmost precision, ensuring minimal discomfort and a quick recovery time. You'll be amazed at the instant results. Now, let's shift our focus to another common concern: excessive gum tissue, often referred to as a gummy smile. If you feel like your teeth are being overshadowed by your gums, crown lengthening might be the perfect solution. Take a look at these incredible transformations. By carefully reshaping the gum line and exposing more of the tooth's surface, we create a more harmonious balance between your gums and teeth. Crown lengthening not only enhances your smile aesthetics but also lays the foundation for other cosmetic procedures like dental veneers or crowns. During the crown lengthening procedure, we use advanced techniques to reshape the gum line, revealing more of your teeth. We ensure that the final result looks natural and complements your facial features. Our team of experts will guide you through the process, from the initial consultation to the post-procedure care. It's incredible how such a simple procedure made such a huge difference. I finally have the smile I've always dreamed of. Laser gum depigmentation and crown lengthening are truly game changers when it comes to dental aesthetics. Whether you're looking to brighten your smile or achieve a more balanced gum-to-tooth ratio, these procedures can transform your confidence and leave you with a smile that dazzles. If you're interested in exploring these treatments further, don't hesitate to reach out to our dental clinic either at Loquandwilla or Chember. We're here to help you achieve the smile of your dreams. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming episodes. Until next time, keep smiling and take care of your dental health.